Hi everyone, how you guys doing this fine day? So every year I do the Nordstrom anniversary sale haul. I'm going to show you guys my top 10 picks, and I also made a big order online, which you'll see when this sale goes live to the public. So do not open a credit card, okay? So let's get started. But first, I gotta apologize for the shakiness of this video. Apparently, I'm a total spaz because I couldn't seem to stand still. Okay, so let's start out with the best teddy coat or faux fur coat out of the entire sale. And this is my favorite because it doesn't make you look sloppy or messy or just poofy. This one is actually very structured, polished, and elegant, just like a Burberry jacket. And it fits so well. It tapers in. It has a detachable hood. I mean, I can't recommend this enough to you guys. And although you can wear this with jeans and leggings, you can also dress this up. Next is these vintage lived-in jeans from Paige. It made my hips look so curvy. It made my entire legs, my ankles, my hips, my butt, even my crotch look better wearing this. It has this really unusual distressing that seems to bring all the attention to my crotch. You know what the distressing is almost making it look like? It's making it look like my pants are too tight, but it's not too tight. It's just the way the distressing is made. I can see myself wearing these with some like black t-shirt and a black leather jacket in the fall time. As far as sizing goes, I'll put all my information along with links down below for you guys. So these are originally $229, currently on sale for $152. And next are these faux leather leggings from Commando. If you guys already bought these Spanx this year, I so highly recommend that you return that and get these instead because it is so much better. First of all, my main reason for recommending these to you guys is that these have a 12-inch rise. It is super duper high waisted. Also, these are seamless, which means that it doesn't have that band in the waist area to cut you off. So it's going to make your legs super duper longer than Spanx. And these look and feel just like those luxurious lambskin leather. And these have compression just like Spanx. They run small, so be sure to size up. It's currently $65, and these never go on sale. Next, we have a teddy bear sweater from Thread and Supply. This was a bestseller last year. This year's version is much better because it has a better fit. It seems to be more tapered around the waist areas. Also, there was a sweater from Chelsea at 28 I really wanted, but someone stole it and then it sold out. So I'm going to link it down below for you guys to let you guys know which sweater I mean. It is so bizarre what happens during the sale, you guys. And just so you guys know, things are going to be sold out because people are just insane during the sale and buy too much to return everything. It's almost like a game with people. I don't understand this. When people return it, even if it's not your size, just grab whatever comes in and then just exchange it for your proper size after the sale when they restock everything. I also got this necklace from Madewell. It's not in the sale, but it's just as good. Every year I like to buy a plaid because what is fall without plaid? And this one by far is the best out of all the plaids. It's as soft as rails. Actually, it's even better than rails because it has a better flow. It's oversized like in a boyfriend fit. So you should size down if you don't like that baggy look. I love the baggy look, so I sized up even more to a medium. Okay, so this is, you guys, the prettiest cardigan out of all the cardigans in the sale. I know everybody's going crazy over this BP cardigan and I like it too. So here I'm wearing it in the plus size because it completely sold out in normal sizes. So right there just shows you how amazing this cardigan is in person. Just ignore my shoe situation. I have to put it on and off and I was just getting lazy. So that's why my feet is like falling out of my shoes. These pants, oh my god, these are just incredible. I was so surprised by how great these looked on me. I was thinking that it was going to look right because sometimes prints are kind of difficult if you have a curvy bottom, right? But don't even worry about that because these are so fierce, super high-waisted. They're so soft and stretchy. They don't gap around the waist area. These are so special. I love them so much. These do run big, so size down on these. I'm wearing a size 4 here. This goes for $112 during the sale. It's going to go back up to $169 afterwards. It is neutral, so it's going to go with everything and anything in your closet. Highly recommend you guys checking this out. And here's my favorite purchase out of the entire sale. It's a very thick and long cashmere sweater from Nordstrom. Oh my God, I couldn't believe how high quality this was when I first touched it. And then I put it on and I saw how amazing it looked on me. I mean, I sound so conceited, but when you put this on, it instantly makes you look so much more elegant. You can throw this on over your jeans with some black leather pants. You can put it under your coats to make anything more warmer. And I thought how amazing it would be to travel with this, how cozy it is. And you're right, this is a very expensive item and it's an investment piece for sure. So I'm going to be returning a lot of my purchases just so I could keep this. But I can't stress enough how worth it this item is because of how thick, long, there's just a lot of fabric. I mean, this piece is literally like a cashmere coat. So next is my favorite sweater from last year. I have this in so many different colors and I gifted this to my family last winter and everyone loved it. But what I want to tell you guys about this sweater is that this color, the brown color, seems to be lighter and warmer than last year's version. I found it way more flattering. And the Chelsea 28 sweater from this year is very similar to this sweater except it's more cropped. So Chelsea 28 sweater might be a little better even than Free People. So definitely check out both sweaters. You guys know how much I love my Leith cardigans, right? I literally have it in so many colors, but this year they have this brownish burgundy color that I don't know if this is a new thing where I just missed it, but I tried this on with my faux leather pants and it looked stunning paired together. It's such a flattering cardigan that you can wear all year round because it is so thin and I love how silky and flowy this cardigan is. It adds no pounds to your frame at all. So if you're looking for a cozy cardigan that doesn't bulk you up, something that you can just throw on anytime, any place, any time of the year, definitely go check out this cardigan. I'll link more stuff down below for you guys, but let me just go over some of the things that I did like and didn't like that didn't make it into my top 10. First of all, these bubble bar heart earrings that I see some people wearing, when I tried these on at the store, I literally looked like a Dumbo because it stuck straight out of my head. It was a sight to see. Unfortunately, I should have taken a picture of this. These sweaters from Topshop, they're so beautiful. I could tell you guys right now, if you're into camel, try on the Topshop sweater, but the fit is just awful. It is the boxiest looking thing and it doesn't seem to drape well, so they stick straight out. I tried on the camel because it's dropped that beautiful in person and this peachy color. The peachy color seems to have a better drape, by the way, but they're all very boxy. I also tried on this Topshop coat because the color was so beautiful, but the fit was awful and it looked really cheap on me. It might be because how wrinkly it was, but then I tried on this Ted Baker coat and it was just as wrinkly, but that still had that, high-end luxe feel and look. But I couldn't figure out the Ted Baker sizing. I tried on the 5 and that was humongous. And then I got the size 2 and that was humongous as well. But oh my God, the color is just the most beautiful shade of this nudie pink. It looks very luxurious, high-end. And so I'm going to show you guys some of the things that I did order online because I might not do the second video since everything is already sold out and I really hate to disappoint you guys. I don't want to just upload a video and look what I bought and you guys not get any value from that, So let me show you guys some of the things that I ordered that I really recommend or don't recommend. So about this jacket, look how beautiful it is. I am absolutely in love with it. I haven't seen anything like this around. So if you're a very neutral person like I am, I stick to very neutral colors. You can throw something like this on top of it. So I might not have liked the other Topshop coat, but this one is a huge hit. Love the color. I love the slouchiness. I love how cropped it is. The most perfect slouchy, oversized moto jacket in the pink shade. So if you're a girly girl, which I am, you should definitely try this. And Nordstrom PJs are my favorite PJs ever. I buy a set or 2 or 3 every single year. I've tried to go off of it and buy cheaper versions on Amazon and Target. And although they do feel very similar the first month, but it's not the same. If you compare Amazon or Target version to Nordstrom a year later, you can definitely see where you're spending the money. So do stock up on your Nordstrom PJs. I would even recommend it full price. And then on my way out, I saw these cute slip-ons. So I tried them on and then almost cracked my head on the floor because they were so slippery. So make sure you have life insurance before you try these on. I also tried on these sandals and they are very cute. But yeah, so I didn't buy them, but they're cute. And then on my way out, I tried on this cashmere scarf from Halogen. I have it in so many colors, but this year I'm not going to buy any, but this color is just beautiful. This color is just unique. I haven't seen it before. It's like a corally pink that's very very flattering for brown hair girls. So if you have brown hair, definitely go look into it. Now, as far as Nsale leggings, they are really wonderful and I do recommend them, but you should go get it at Nordstrom Rack. Also, Barefoot Dream cardigans. Love them. You should get them. However, the blankets, I would personally just go get it at the rack as well. So that is personally what I would do. And you guys, if you're disappointed about missing the denim sale this year, don't be, because there are other department stores that have great sales as well. Bloomingdale's, I don't know if you guys know, have amazing sales all the time. Also, they don't have tax if you live outside of New York. So there's that. And just like Nordstrom, they have amazing customer service. You can literally return anything for any reason for a year. So go check out Bloomingdale's if you haven't shopped there before. And if you are disappointed about missing the Free People items this year, Macy's have really amazing sales on Free People stuff. So every year I get a lot of stuff from Macy's. And there were a lot of great sweaters this year, but if you missed it, don't even worry about it, because come fall and winter, I'm going to be doing a ginormous H&M haul where we're going to try on a whole bunch of sweaters. And you know, H&M sweaters are some of my favorite. They're very big, oversized, and slouchy, just like how I like my sweaters. So if you missed it, don't even worry about it, because I'm going to find us some really amazing deals come fall. And we're done. Thank you guys so much for spending your time with me today. Be sure to thumbs up. And if you're not following me on Instagram, be sure you are, so we can stay in touch. I love seeing my YouTube subscribers on Instagram because I'm more active on there these days. Okay? And let me know down below if you guys still want to see my second haul, even though a lot of these things are sold out. I mean, as I said, I don't want to disappoint people, and that's like, I don't want to do that. So let me know your thoughts down below, and I'll see you guys again soon. I love you guys. Have a beautiful day, everyone. Bye.